is the entry, but if you want to get lazy with it, you could use the leg of the daily high and low, because this is the whole leg. You could use it from the low to the high, or the low, or the high to the low is the same thing. And more than likely, you'll find a number that comes up to the same area. These areas is like, it's just a point of interest. So, negative 27, 61.8 on the H1, but it stacks as well. So, these points of interest, they don't, price don't turn around for no reason. Like, price, there's reason why price turns around. It's just in your best interest to like create a picture or story so you could explain as to why it turns around. Even if it's right or wrong, it doesn't fucking matter. As long as you create a tool that you could replicate over and over and over and over again without changing the variables, you should be good. Anything after that is just managing your money, managing your account, managing your risks, managing yourself. That's the hard part. But also the technical part is also the hard part. But once you can replicate that shit over and over again, you should be good.